Welcome to Passport to Everywhere. We're a community of individuals striving for geographic freedom. We post videos about the cost of living around the world, acquiring second citizenships and passports, and traveling the world on your own terms. New Zealand, popularly known as the land of the long white cloud, is a country renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty and multicultural society. Many people around the globe dream of calling this paradise their home, and for good reason. With its robust economy, high quality of life, and stunning landscapes, New Zealand offers a unique mix of benefits that are hard to find elsewhere. Gaining New Zealand citizenship is the ultimate goal for many migrants, offering an array of privileges from unrestricted travel to economic rights and access to educational scholarships. If you're considering taking this step, it's important to understand the naturalization process, the requirements for citizenship, and the eligibility criteria. This guide will walk you through the process of acquiring New Zealand citizenship by naturalization, offering a comprehensive overview of everything that you need to know. Primary pathways to New Zealand citizenship. There are primarily three pathways to becoming a New Zealand citizen: by birth, by descent, and the most relevant for migrants, by grant. Citizenship by birth. Prior to January 1st, 2006, anyone born in New Zealand automatically received citizenship, irrespective of their parents' nationality. After this date, to be a citizen by birth, at least one parent must be a New Zealand citizen or permanent resident at the time of the child's birth. Citizenship by descent. Children born overseas with at least one parent who is a New Zealand citizen, not by descent, at the time of their birth can apply for citizenship by descent. However, this status needs to be officially registered before the age of 22 for the individual to obtain a New Zealand passport. Citizenship by grant. For most immigrants, the most direct pathway to becoming a New Zealand citizen is by grant. This is similar to citizenship by naturalization in other countries, wherein eligibility is attained after residing in the country for a certain period. Eligibility criteria for citizenship by grant. To be eligible for citizenship by grant, the following requirements need to be met. 1. Permanent residency. You must have the right to live in New Zealand indefinitely. This means you're either a permanent resident of New Zealand or Australia or an Australian citizen. 2. Residency period. You must have lived in New Zealand for at least the last 5 years. 3. Physical presence. During these 5 years, you should have been physically present in New Zealand for at least 1,350 days in total and at least 240 days in each of those 5 years. 4. Intention to reside. You must intend to continue living in New Zealand. 5. English proficiency. You need to have a reasonable command over the English language. 6. Good character. You should have a clean criminal record, both in New Zealand and overseas. The citizenship application process. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, the next step is to apply for New Zealand citizenship. This can be done online or in person. The application fee is 470 New Zealand dollars for adults over 16 and 235 New Zealand dollars for children. The documents required for the application include your birth certificate, existing passport, a recent passport-sized photo, and the completed application form. The processing time for citizenship applications can range from 4 to 19 months, depending on how much information can be automatically verified. Factors like name changes, gaps in residency, or missing documents can cause delays in the process. Once your application has been approved, you will be invited to a citizenship ceremony where you will take an oath or affirmation of allegiance to New Zealand and receive your citizenship certificate. After obtaining your citizenship certificate, you can apply for a New Zealand passport. Dual citizenship. New Zealand allows for dual citizenship. This means you can hold multiple passports and be a citizen of more than one country, as long as the other country also permits dual citizenship. However, it's essential to understand the laws of your home country before applying for New Zealand citizenship to prevent any legal complications. Benefits of New Zealand citizenship. Becoming a New Zealand citizen provides a host of benefits. 1. Freedom to travel. As a New Zealand citizen, you can freely travel overseas and return on a New Zealand passport. 2. Economic rights. You get full access to economic rights, including the right to vote, stand for public office, and access social security benefits. 3. Educational opportunities. You become eligible for educational scholarships and awards that are reserved for New Zealand citizens. 4. Family sponsorship. You can sponsor a family member's visa application. Responsibilities of New Zealand citizens. With the privileges of citizenship come certain responsibilities. As a New Zealand citizen, you're required to register to vote, abide by New Zealand laws, and pay taxes in New Zealand. Becoming a New Zealand citizen is a significant milestone, one that offers an array of benefits and a sense of belonging in this beautiful country. While the citizenship process may seem complex and lengthy, understanding the eligibility criteria, requirements, and application process can make your journey to becoming a New Zealand citizen smoother and more manageable. Whether your reasons for seeking New Zealand citizenship are personal, professional, or a combination of both, achieving this status will undoubtedly open up new opportunities and experiences in the land of the long white cloud. Remember, the journey to New Zealand citizenship is not a race, but a process. Take your time, gather your documents, understand the requirements, and when you're ready, submit your application. Your dream of becoming a New Zealand citizen is well within reach. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the information useful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And if there's anyone you know who might be interested in this video, be sure to share it with them. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring.